Okay, here's a bar of ivory, and it's still in its wrapper, but I also wrapped it in that clear packing tape. And hopefully this does something interesting. Here we go. I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna do 3 minutes. 300 start. Ooh. 'Start at 4 minutes. Got a minute and 3/4. "50 seconds. Ooh, I could smell the ivory. Oh my. Here we go. There's that thing that burst open. I didn't use enough packing tape to... That is funny. All over. That is funny. Okay, this is a close-up inside my micro. Yeah, just down there. So that is funny. And there's that thing that burst. Let's see here, probably still hot. Nothing left inside. That is funny. Nothing left. Yeah, oozed out a small hole. And it goes into my bucket of stuff.